Majority of us heard of the Mayas mostly because of their 2012 end of the world myth. But here's the truth. That's not their biggest secret. Deep in the jungles of Central America, archaeologists have uncovered discoveries so shocking they completely change what we thought we knew about the Maya. So let's uncover 5 of these mind-blowing archaeological secrets of Maya civilization. Number 1. Mayas were brain surgeons. Yes, brain surgery. You have heard it right. At Copan in Honduras, skulls were found with small, perfectly cut holes. These were not war wounds. They were trepanations, early neurosurgeries. The shocking part, many skulls showed signs of healing. Patients survived. So scholars believe that this was not random trial and error. The Maya clearly understood anatomy, pressure points, and maybe even pain control 1,000 years before modern medicine. Therefore, we can say that they were not just temple builders, they were healers cutting into skulls to save lives. Number 2. Ancient fish canals, aquatic food system in Belize. Imagine stumbling upon a 4,000-year-old fishing system hidden in the jungles of Belize. Archaeologists recently uncovered a vast network of canals, ponds, and zigzag waterways designed to catch fish like catfish, complete with spear points left behind. What's mind-blowing is that this system was used for over 1,000 years, long before the great Maya cities we know today. It proves the Maya's ancestors were not just farmers living off maize, they were clever engineers, turning wetlands into giant food factories to feed their people. Number 3. The Mayan concept of zero and complex math system. The ancient Maya were not just builders of temples and pyramids, they were math geniuses. They created a base 20 number system using simple dots and bars and even invented a symbol for zero long before much of the world understood it. This breakthrough let them track massive spans of time with amazing accuracy, powering their calendars, astronomy, and even politics. In other words, their math shaped their entire civilization. Number 4. They engineered cities to speak with the gods. Imagine standing in front of a giant Mayan temple, clapping your hands, and hearing the echo of a sacred bird call back at you. Sounds impossible, right? But at Chichen Itza, that's exactly what happens. And it's no accident. The Mayans designed their temples and plazas with such precise acoustics that every sound could be transformed into something magical. This was not just architecture, it was psychology, spirituality, and power all built into stone. Number 5. Advanced astronomy and calendars at Zulton. Imagine stepping into a forgotten Maya room and finding walls covered with not random art, but with astronomy charts from over 1100 years ago. At the ruins of Zultun in Guatemala, archaeologists discovered painted tables showing the motion of the moon along with the orbits of Venus and Mars. These records are hundreds of years older than any Maya astronomical texts we knew before. Proof that the Maya were carefully sky watchers with a deep understanding of planetary cycles long before European scholars ever wrote them down. Finally, we can say that the secrets of Maya show us that they were far more than just mysterious ancient people. They were city builders, scientists, doctors, and storytellers whose knowledge still amazes us today. Their rise and fall are both inspiring and cautionary. A reminder that the past is never really gone. It's waiting for us to rediscover.